mission, their slang, I dey fear. Some mission they get with the slang, different slang. Now give you one, make you feel am. Number 1, Joe boy. Joe boy. Please, if you hear Joe boy slang, you force her enjoy boy.
Joe boy condemn.
It took me a very long time to find out that it's not Joe boy condemn, it is Joe boy condemns. Why? I'll not be saying Joe boy condemn. No, I don't say that. No be Joe boy condemn, not Joe boy condemns. But my think, boy, Moshango, I hear your side wa badge. I hear only condemn na. So, my think say, boy, over me condemn me, boy, come on, but don't want to come on, dada. So, one condemn me. You to show that the condemn me quite tutu. Maybe they find condemn me, sure. Oh yeah, let's hear me your slogan. I can boss slogan me your
Of lele
ko, of laladi. Nimo, son dia na bo jawa ma le boko. I be shiki one leg. Of lele. Okay, let's hear of lele of what?
of Lagos.
Of Lagos. Anyway, of Lagos. Are you am Lagos? Even if you am Lagos, say everybody kwale ko. That one di no mean. Emi go, ori yana la kara. Emi tell mo kiri akara la koka. O sumi ti mo fe lo boss inosa. Mo fit pass by the motivational speaker. Igba to ya, Olorun change life. Mo gbeyin mo anybody. Emi di Jehovah. Igba to wa ya, mo di supporter musician comedian. But na God, no be anything. And my mama. Fully by. Good. Let's hear your own. Let's hear your own slogan.
Move up.
Chef, you on tap me. Koba. Baby, it's your baby. I shall not anything to say. This I can say for this. I declare this. So now, Zanku, leg work. Zlatan, let's hear your own slogan too.
Aye.
Jenny. Aye, go. So, for the girlfriend, you could make sense. You feel like but I don't feel crying. I lie. Don't cry. You guys girlfriend. I'm about to fire you. Now I hear blue. Aye, go. What's up, name? Naira Marley. Let's hear your own slogan.
Come back.
Hello, come back. What the other one? You can move your way, Naira Marley. Okay, Colonel. Move. What the other one say? Move. What's your what's your mistake? I'm not being sir. Set your boss. Move, Naira. Please like, comment, and share. Thank you. You want me to open my head? I should open it. Start open it. Talk. I should open it. Okay. I'm a party. I'm covered by it. I'm a party.
Master, GG.